In this video, I'll show you how you can make League of Legends in full screen. Now, if you press escape when you're in a game and you come over to the window mode right here, you can choose full screen simply by selecting and press OK. Now, another one is called borderless, which is basically full screen, but instead it makes you able to tab out easily without the game getting tabbed out. So if you want, you can open up a file just by that. So those are the two ways that you can do the full screen ones. Obviously this one will be complete full screen. So if you tab out, you will tab out of League of Legends. But if you're borderless, you can open up a new tab and nothing happens. Now you can also do the windowed one, which is obviously windowed. But these are the two full screens in League of Legends. Now I recommend borderless if you have other things open, but if you want to go for maximum FPS and everything, you should do full screen. However, keep in mind most computers can play League of Legends at the FPS that they need, so the really full screen in here is not that important. Borderless is my favorite. And that's basically how you can do it, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.